Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Cole. I love fun, bright, colourful makeup, and if you do too, you are in the right place. Welcome back to day 7 of the week of colour. 7 videos, 7 eye looks in 2.5 days. I've smashed this one. My eyes are feeling moderately gammy, I will admit. But today we are doing our final in the week of colour, which is a week of prompts created by my beautiful YouTube bestie Milli. And today we are doing a palette bingo with our largest rainbow palette. My largest rainbow palette is this one. This is the new Blend Bunny Blends palette. And I've actually not used this one yet. So this is not only going to be a palette bingo, but it's also a first impressions of this palette. I'm very excited, but also very nervous. I feel like this could go so many ways. I'm really sorry, the silver background is not good in the sun. It could go so many ways, but we will see. Without further ado, let's get into it. I've got my random number generator ready to go. Let's go for our first shade. Our first shade is 38, which is Dream, which is this lovely blue here. I do need to actually film a video where I compare this to the old blends. So that's our first shade. 28, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay. 28 is Chance. Okay. Something's got to throw me a curveball. Something will throw me a curveball. We know it's happening. Okay. Then we've got number 5, which is Protected, which is this beautiful yellow shimmer. I am not mad at this so far. Finally getting some good luck with this palette bingo. 2. I spoke too soon. 2 is Cherry Lips, which is a beautiful deep like reddy pink. But I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with it. And then we've got 9, which is Encompass, which is a beautiful, okay, actually, that allows me to tie that in much better. Right, I really could do with another matte, but I don't want to draw another shimmer. Let's see how it goes. As long as it's over 11, we'll be fine. 16. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Yes, this will work. This will work. This is Lux, which is a beautiful deep green. Okay. We can work with this. We can definitely work with this. So, first off, I'm going to take a tiny little pencil brush. This is a Zoeva Luxe pencil brush, and I'm going to take the shade Lux, and we're going to start building this up. I might do a halo eye today actually. Okay, so we're just going to start building Lux up on the inner and the outer corner. Trying not to get it inside our eyeball, but you know, best laid plans and such. I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to blend out with the blues. I want a nice rounded shape on my outer corner, so just pressing that into a rounded shape. Okay. Then I'm going to take a tiny little flat shader brush. This is 152 from Morphe. We're going to take that Chance shade, which is that darker blue. And I'm going to place this around the edge of the green. And then we're going to go back into the pencil brush, tiny bit of that Chance shade. I'm going to start blending it with the green. And back into a little bit of flux. Okay, and we're going to do the exact same thing on the outer corner. We're just not quite taking that Chance shade out as far. And then back in with the pencil brush. Okay, and then I'm going to take that same little flat brush and we're going to take Dream. And then I'm going to go in with a really small blending brush. If I can find the one I want, here it is. This is a CB4 from Cosmic, and again I'm going to go back in with the same shade. So starting with Dream, and we will repack these colours on if we need to once we've blended. Then in with Chance. Okay, I'm happy with how that looks. I don't know whether to do the red on the outer or the purple on the outer. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to take P. Louise, C, whatever you are, C1, this one is. And I think we're going to do the purple on the outside and then the reddy pink in the middle. So I'm just going to start building this up. Okay, it's a bit more of a topper shade than I expected, and it's not picking up great on the brush. I'd have probably been better using my finger, but because I want to be quite precise about where I'm putting it, I don't 100% want to use my finger. We are taking this up into the crease. That's how I personally like to do my halo eyes. I know some people kind of do them as like a full, like half moon shape, but I just think the way the shimmer looks in the crease is just a little bit more grungy, which is always going to be something I love. And then I think I'm going to take Cherry Lips on my finger. Is actually much lighter than it looks in the pan, which works perfectly for this look. Okay, I like that, it looks cool. Right, I do want to intensify the purple shimmer a little bit, so just kind of going back and forth until I'm happy with it. And then I am also going to take a big fluffy brush. This is the Zoeva Luxe Defined Crease Brush, and we're going to take Dream. Really blend this out now that we've got those shimmers on. Okay, for the under eye, I think I'm going to go with the blue. So I'm going to go back to my pencil brush, and we're going to go in with Chance. And we're just going to do the waterline. And then we're going to go in with a little bit of Dream, just with that same pencil brush, just to soften it ever so slightly. And then on the inner corner, I'm going to use the yellow, which is called Protected. Okay. Considering this was a bingo, I really like this colour story and I really like how this turned out. Would I perhaps do a slightly different shimmer on the lid? Yes. Or just put the purple all over the lid? Yes. But I actually quite like it. And again, I'm just going to do one eye because it's been a long day. Right, I think I want to do a pop of bright blue in the waterline. So we are going to do my one true love, the Troublemaker Mischief eyeliner in Bad Habit. If you haven't already tried these pencil liners from Troublemaker, they are £3 and possibly the most pigmented waterline liner pencils. Currently they only come in 6 shades, so there's a black, a white, a lilac, the blue, an orange and a bright pink, but I am hoping and praying Troublemaker bring out more shades. And that is it for today's look. That is the look, that is the colour story. What do we think? I think for a palette bingo this turned out really well, considering the last couple of palette bingos I've done have been pretty horrific on the whole. So I'm really happy with how this one turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from me, hit subscribe, and don't forget to check out Milli's channel. I'll leave her linked in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. You've been fabulous, I've been Colourful, and I'll see you probably in about a week while my eyes rest. Love you, bye!